Hi 7th graders! Today we are going to be doing a hands-on activity that deals with, well, you'll just maybe have to watch this video to find out.
You are the chosen one. Listen to the wind. Remember prophecy. Fight for our freedom. For your entire life has led up to this moment. Okay, yeah, let's do this. Yeah, let's go. She never wanna cross me. Sensei, cause he's the one that taught me. Back down on a message. Yo, anything you need, I can pass you up. Beat, pop, hold the floor. I can never have a little bit of the run. And the place so sharp, I can cut your hand. My arm like a three-drum Superman.
Okay, so maybe I'm exaggerating a little bit, but we are going to be cutting three-dimensional shapes today. And to get a little background on that, we're going to watch another video.
Slicing solid, three-dimensional figures results in different two-dimensional shapes, depending on how you slice them. If you cut through a cylinder with a geometric plane parallel to the cylinder's base, the two-dimensional cross-section is a circle. Any way you slice it, you can get two-dimensional shapes from three-dimensional figures. When you slice a cylinder from top to bottom that is perpendicular to its base, then look at the cross-section straight on. You get a rectangle. What happens when you slice a square pyramid? If you slice across the pyramid with your plane parallel to the pyramid's base, the cross-section is a square. If you slice with your plane perpendicular to the pyramid's base, the cross-section is a triangle. Remember, you're slicing a solid, three-dimensional figure with a geometric plane. You can slice in any direction. Just keep in mind that shapes can look different when you look at them from different angles. So orient the cross-section on the geometric plane. Slicing diagonally can produce different shapes, such as an ellipse or a trapezoid. Understanding the two-dimensional shapes that result from slicing solid, three-dimensional figures is important for geometry and ninjas.
So that's what we are doing today, is we are going to be making three-dimensional shapes. So we are going to be making those out of clay, and then you are going to be cutting them. But instead of using a samurai sword or even a knife, we are going to be using dental floss. And so here's an example of a three-dimensional shape, a cylinder that's on its side. This cylinder is actually a cylinder of goat cheese, which is very similar to the consistency of clay. And notice how they took the dental floss and they wrapped it around the cylinder and it crosses. This is how we're going to cut our shapes. So here's just a little mini clip of how to cut those shapes.
One easy way is to wrap dental floss around the goat cheese and then simply pull on either end and it slices it perfectly.
So notice they took that three-dimensional cylinder of goat cheese, they sliced it, and that slice makes a circle. This circle is what we call the cross section, and that is what we're doing today. So if you take out that worksheet, here's the worksheet. Here's all the different shapes we are going to make, starting with sphere, a cone, a cylinder, a cube. And you're going to make those out of clay, and then you're going to cut them based on these descriptions. If you have any questions, please put your cups to red to let me know that you need help, and work together as a team in your partners. Thank you.